How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to change out your gas door latch. So if you run into the issue like I did where the pin breaks off on the gas door, it won't close and it just keeps flopping open. This is the new one right here that I got, and I'll include the part number below if you need it. But basically what you need to do is take off the little ring that retains it. This plastic comes back. You might need to, like, sometimes I guess it sticks in here, so you have to kind of like cut away a little bit. You can pull this flap back. I'm going to re-glue it back in here after, but there's two 10mm bolts. You will need to also go through your trunk right here, pull this liner back, and then you can kind of see where like that cable comes through, and the connector right here and right here, this connector. Oh, focus. That pole connector on the inside, and the actual power connector for it. But yeah, so go ahead and pull the flap back, take out these two bolts, and then we can go ahead and pull it through there, disconnect the connector, and put our new one in. All right, so once you take those two bolts out, there is like a little bit of a pin right on the top that you got to like push down to release it, because it's like a clip and then it falls in. Once you get in here through your trunk, you can go ahead and pull the liner down, which is just pulling the top seal off and then pulling like these little pins right here down, and then these clips pull down. So you can get this down, you can move this out of the way like this. Not a whole lot of room, but what you need to do now is right on this one right here, you can go ahead and pinch this. That's for the connector. And then I believe this black one right here next to it, you also need to pull out. So go ahead and take these two out, and then we can go ahead and take out our module after we get the wire actually disconnected. All right, so I got the old one out. This is the old one right here, and yeah, as you can see, broken pin right off. Those are the two bolts, and the connector, the pinch connector right here, and this connector right here, or the clip I should say. Now for the new one, it's just reverse of, removal. We just gotta clip this guy in here, put our two bolts in, connect our two wires, or one wire really, and then feed the other one through to the trunk so you can pull it in case your battery ever dies. You can still access your gas tank. Okay, so I did get the new one mounted in. I had to do it twice because I accidentally put it upside down. The direction does matter because there's this little slot right here, and this lines up with this right here. So if you put it on backwards, this isn't gonna line up correctly and end up breaking it off again. Also, there's a little clip right on the top that you have to push down anyway to release the original one. There's only one clip, so the clip faces up. I guess I wasn't paying enough attention, but yeah, so that goes there. Put the two bolts in, tighten it. This is going to slip back over here. You will need to reuse this piece right here, and I am going to also put a little bit of glue inside here on the back side just to make sure it seals in nicely, maybe some RTV or whatnot. I wouldn't use super glue just because it's going to like white it out and make it look like it was glued in. So RTV is nice and waterproof, and it'll seal in here nicely. All right, and as you can see, it is now closed. It's not gonna pop open. It's not gonna, flap away. It's gonna open only when you click the button in the door. If this video is helpful for you, make sure to give it a like. If you're new here, subscribe. We make a lot of helpful Genesis BH content. Some transfers over to DH and coupes. I also have a lot of series, dual calipers, Hydro E, drift stuff, LSD swap. If you want to check all that out, it's all on my channel. Go ahead and click the channel, look through it. It's probably something else you want to watch. So appreciate you guys stopping and checking it out. Have a good day.
If you're still with me, you're awesome. While you're still here, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. I love hearing from you, so drop a comment below with your thoughts. And hey, if you want exclusive behind-the-scenes content and early access to new videos, check out my Patreon in the description. Your support means the world to me. Also, join our large Genesis community on Facebook for free. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one.